Hi there! If you ever find yourself needing to combine your Kahoots, there is an easy way to do it. You can use the Combine feature to merge Kahoots located within the same folder. Begin by navigating to your library. When you are there, make sure to select at least 2 Kahoots you want to combine. Then, press the Combine button at the top of the list. You'll then be asked to provide a new title for your combined Kahoot. You can also add a description, which is optional. It's important to remember that the new Kahoot will be a duplicate, so you won't lose access to the previous versions. To finish the process, just click Create, and your newly combined Kahoot will appear in your folder. If you don't see it immediately, simply refresh the page. And there you have it. That's how you can combine your Kahoots effortlessly, allowing you to easily add all questions from one Kahoot to another. For times when you don't need to combine entire Kahoots, but instead want to add selected questions from one game to another, consider using the Question Bank feature.